Konnichiwa, everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about gaining organic web traffic with YouTube and Vimeo. Specifically, creating video content for your blog or website to get traffic, organic traffic, to your website. The number one search engine in the world, Google, obviously, no question. The number two search engine may or may not surprise you, but it's YouTube. Not everybody knows this, but people like videos. I know, what a shock. People rather watch a video than read a book. But, video brings a lot of value to the table in the visual learning aspect. We could really get an exact explanation from a video's author as they illustrate a process with their own voice. For me, watching a video is an organic means of learning. It's like the first time your grandpa taught you how to fish, or the first time your Uncle Gary showed you how to hotwire a 1965 Corvair in Jersey City when you were 8. Yeah, it happened. Anyway, video is just more input to digest in the brain and makes it easier to process as you're learning. Since YouTube is the second most popular search engine, the equation is pretty simple, that video equals web traffic and higher web traffic equals happy joy. So I began creating some videos for each one of my blog entries in an attempt to just gain some more traffic and promote my website a little bit better. So I've created here a YouTube account, so YouTube Frederick Weiss, and I also created a Vimeo site, Vimeo channel, if you will. So same thing, Vimeo/Frederick Weiss, and it's really simple to do this. You just go in, create an account, boom, you have an account, upload your videos. Pretty basic stuff. The way I got these in here, or the way I created these, I needed some way to create videos. Obviously, you could use any software you like. I know a lot of people just do MP3s, but again, video is how you gain a lot of traffic via YouTube being the number two search engine. So you could do this in GarageBand if you want or something like that, but I went ahead and I did a little research and I found ScreenFlow to be a great application for this. So here you can see my website. I just made an earlier channel, and I'll go ahead and I'll play this so you can see it. I just went ahead and just did some clicking around. You can see it's pretty cool how it records your whole screen. So the cool thing about Screencast is you can easily add effects. So we could go in here and we could see the video, we could scale the video, we could add actions. So if we say we add a video action, adding a video action. Oh, well, we pulled up the tutorial, but we'll go ahead here and we'll click it and we'll say add a video action. Don't show this message. No, please. So now we have this little keyframe here for the video action. I could go ahead and bring that and grab that a little bit more, and I'll go in here and I could right click and I'll say I want to ease this in and ease out for my effect. So from here, I'll take my video and I'll scale it maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll move it to a focus area that I wanted the user to look at. And I could see here that here's my nice transition from here to here. So it's magically delicious. You could see the power of Vimeo, or excuse me, of ScreenFlow. Pretty tight, right? So you also have cool things in here where you could add reflection, shadow, yada yada. You have audio effects that you could adjust in here. I do have a video, or excuse me, an audio track here, but I didn't really lay anything in here. But you could check the preferences in here, or you could make it sound different ways, large hall, large room, yada yada. It's pretty cool. You also have different things that you could do for making the anytime somebody makes a mouse click, or excuse me, when you make a mouse click, you could have different effects. So I could say in here I'm going to add a call out. So you see here I get this call out, which is really the focus. Now I could blur that out a little bit. The opacity, I can blur this call out. See how that blurs? Pretty cool. I could zoom it up, so if I want the user to read something specifically right here, I could have that action. And you notice here too that you can have all these actions overflow with each other too, which is pretty cool. I could add a shadow to it. You could do a number of things. You could draw on this if you want to, so that's pretty neat. You could add a text layer, and you could add your own media. So if I wanted to add some music in here, I could easily go in and just add some music. You could crop, you could do whatever you want. ScreenFlow is a really cool app, and I definitely suggest getting it. So to get ScreenFlow, we want to go to ScreenFlow. Search Lord Google, and there you go. Telestream.net/screen-flow. Great app. It's like $100. Go ahead and buy it and start using it. And it's really tight. You can see the power of it. Well, again, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, screencast, podcast, whatever you want to call it. But it's going on YouTube, and it's going to get me some conversions. So thanks again. Leave me a comment. Peace out.